Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the farm. So we decided to do a video a little different than what we normally do. So I wanted to give you all a heads up in case you didn't want to see this part of our farming. Today we're going to upload a video showing you how we process our chickens. And we'll show the equipment and let you know how we do it. So I want to just let you know, if you don't want to see that, this video is not for you. Rob and I have decided to sell our featherman equipment. It's been really good for us. We've had it for many years, but Rob's MS and his age is making it hard for him to use this particular equipment, so we're upgrading to Poultryman, and it'll be better for him. It won't be as physical, especially with turkeys coming up. They're especially hard for him to do these days, and they're heavy birds, and even with the help that we get with processing turkeys, it's just too much for him. And after processing for the day, he's sore for quite a few days after. So I also wanted to put this video out here, so if anyone's interested in our featherman equipment, we'll be putting that up for sale in a couple weeks when we get our new equipment. So thank you for watching, and God bless.
This is the featherman scalder. We've had it for, this is the 11th season that we've used it. It's worked great, flawless, can't complain. Beautiful piece of equipment.
Made in America. Made in America. Heavy duty stainless steel.
I'm going to show you how you light it. Right now it's filling up. We have it hooked up to the water. You can see the water's filling up in there. Down there, that stem you see coming in, the pipe, that is where it determines the temperature, where it tells the temperature, and it triggers the thermostat.
Okay.
It tells it whether or not the flame needs to come on or not, if it's a temp. So if you come around here, I'll show you how you light it.
When you plug this in?
Yes,
how you plug this in?
Plug it in. You need power to the thermostat.
It just takes a regular outlet, right?
Yep. Regular
Okay.
110 outlet.
Okay.
This knob here, you turn it to where it goes all the way up to where you can prime it. Like that. You hold it, get the gas to come through. You light it. You hold it for a couple seconds, about 15 seconds. And then you're focusing on there on the burner.
He's going to turn the knob up.
Yeah, and then I'll turn the knob all the way on, and the burner kicks on. I like to turn this on as I start filling it, so it gets a little head start warming the water. And then what I'll do is, if you have hot water going to it, which I do, a lot of people don't have that option, but we made it so. Yeah,
we custom built this butcher shop, so to what works for us, you know, for the featherman equipment. So we have hot water running here. And this is the last time we'll be using our featherman equipment. It's really been good for us. It was perfect for the amount of birds we did, but it's gotten to the point with Rob's MS that it really hurts him to use the shackle system. You know, right here, we'll show you how that works, but it's a lot of weight on his shoulder, and it's starting to bother him.
I'm putting on an insulation.
Yeah, we insulate it. This helps it warm up quicker. With a long stem thermometer.
Yes. And then I just
stick it in there, and this is how we know when it's at temp.
Yep.
We'll be able to tell.
That thing there, so when the needle lines up with that.
When it's ready.
So this here is the plucker, and I put quick disconnects on them, on the hoses. So I connect it here on the plucker, and then plug it in right here.
Quick connects are nice because you're not stripping your things, you know.
Plug it in. This is a regular 110 outlet plucker.
Yeah, 110. You don't need a special outlet. Oh yeah, feather catcher. Yeah, so this has a feather chute on the front of it. So it's good to have something that catches your feathers. Unless you don't care about it ending up on the ground. We have a feather catcher, and then that way we can compost the feathers.
I also built
he customized this. Yeah, it doesn't, they don't come with rollers. Rob made rollers for them, so you can move them around really easy for storage. You know, because they are, I mean, all equipment's heavy. They are on the heavy side, so the casters really help.
So this here is how you turn the water on. Here.
Yep.
And then switch.
And we'll show you guys this when we're using it on a bird. We'll add this to the video. I've never done a butchering video. I'm kind of afraid to because I might get some hate, but I gotta get over that because this is part of farming.
Okay, so to make cleanup easier and to keep your equipment cleaner.
Yeah, because see how nice and clean our equipment is after using it for
11 seasons.
11 seasons. That's because Rob takes really good care of it. So here's his tip to keeping equipment clean.
So I just get the cheap BJ's
cooking spray.
Non-stick.
Yep. Non-stick.
And then I spray around, especially around the knobs, the on and off for the water. I spray that down, catches blood. Spray the front down. Anywhere where there's going to be possibly blood sticking.
You know, I've seen equipment for sale that people only use after one season, and it looks nothing like this. It looks used and really worn out. We also just replaced the fingers last year.
Ago.
So
and they lasted
8 years, something like 9 years.
We got out of them.
But they will eventually dry rot and they wear down. Featherman makes
not dry rot. We didn't have the dry rot problem, but we did.
They wore out.
Down.
Yeah, but some people will have the dry rot problem. Ours just wore out, and we had a couple that broke. So
they even told me on the phone years ago when I wanted to have an extra set on hand and to change them out in case I needed to, because I didn't know anything about them. They said that if you did that, they would dry rot by the time you needed them.
Yeah.
That's how long they last.
So you don't want to like order them and have them on hand. You're going to just want to order them when you have to replace them. But like we said, they lasted 9 seasons, something like that. So as long as you take care of your equipment, things last you. The fingers weren't terribly expensive either, I don't think, were they? I can't remember what we paid, but Featherman they have really good customer service, and they make it easy for you to order replacement parts, and they're very helpful.
This here is the kill cones.
Yeah, that's the kill cones.
I spray these very liberally.
Yeah, he sprays all of this with cooking spray, inside and out.
Let me get another can.
Yeah, so we'll be getting our new equipment in about 2 weeks. So, you know, if any of you watching are planning on butchering turkeys this year, this system works for turkeys too. This is what we've used for turkeys. Now the kill cones, unless you have small turkeys, the kill cones are going to be too small. But the equipment itself works for turkeys. You know, the plucker and the scalder, you just have to do one at a time. So, you know, we'll show you, but when you cut the bird, it bleeds out into this tub. Yeah, we're not going to show you the killing part, but I guess we'll show you the birds and the cones so you can get an idea of how they go in. Yeah, we can't show the killing part. This is a very humane way, though, to dispatch birds. Very humane. When you hang them upside down, it naturally puts them into a sort of trance where they're calm and they're relaxed and they kind of just fall asleep. And, you know, you just want to make sure the knife you're using is very sharp and they don't feel it. And they just bleed out and they pretty much just fall asleep. It's very, very humane. We wouldn't have it any other way.
So this is this is ready now. It's at temp.
You put Dawn detergent in the
Yes, I put
in the water, the scalder water. It helps break up the oils and dirts.
a third cup. I fill a third cup of Dawn and add that to the scalder. Helps penetrate the oils on the birds and release the feathers.
These are some big birds. We thought these grow out a bit longer than we typically do.
could do some shorts off of it, couldn't you?
Yeah, but then people who might not want to see this would see it. You know what I mean? If they follow us. So you don't want to do stuff like this in shorts. At least if I do a long video, I can let them know it's going to have chicken processing in it.